Yo, what's going on, people? It's your man M right here off Porch Adventures, and today on this episode of Garage Talk, we're going to install some Kemimoto door handles on a Camam X3. I don't know about y'all, but the red strap, you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It all depends on your situation. But for me, I wanted something a little bit easier. So today, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get started on installing these Kemimoto door handles. Let's go. Alright, so this is what you get. I got a 4-seater, so I got 2 sets, but I got the black, and it's pretty straightforward. That's your handle, and there are your screws. I mean, it's straightforward. So, I'm gonna show y'all how you disassemble what you got in there currently on the X3, and how to slide these on. Alright, so I'm gonna start on the rear. And what you gotta do is, I did that one already, but you gotta get these 3 rivets out for the rear to get this cover off. And I use a, I don't know if you can see it, but it is a 13/64 drill bit to drill out these rivets. Once you get them all 3 drilled out, and this cover, so just pop right off. There she go. You just pull it through your belt. Get this cover off. You got 1 more rivet to get out. Here we go. That's it. Got the red strap off, and now we expose our 2 holes for the new Kemimoto door handle. They screw in right here. Alright, so what you're gonna do is take this handle, line it up with these 2 holes. And then you got the screw. Slide that through. Stay. Then you got your little nut that go on the back. And it is a tight fit sometimes, but once you get started, then I normally just grab me a pair of needle nose and an Allen wrench and tighten it all up. All right. First wave done, let's grab the Allen wrench. Alright, so as you got up there, you tighten it up with a 3mm Allen wrench and an 8mm. I use a box end wrench. Reach around. Now, as you can see, when you lift the handle, it releases the latch. And that's it. I mean, that's pretty straightforward, right? Pretty straightforward. So, we're gonna look at a couple more things. I need to do the front, but that's it. That's how you install them. Kemimoto door handles. I love it. Simplicity. Yeah. All right, now we got them installed. You know what time it is. Excuse the dirt, you know. Hey, we do some mud riding down here. But what we're gonna do is shut this door and show you how she operates. So here we go. Door is shut, as you can see. I'm yanking on it. Let's go inside. All right, there is the handle. Lift up. You heard it open? Door opens up. I mean, straightforward. What more could you ask for? Whole lot easier than what I originally had, and definitely gonna help on those muddy days when my hands are covered and don't have much grip. So thank y'all for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Again, that is the Kemimoto door handle install. So straightforward, so easy. And you know what I'm about to say. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, click the notifications, and we will see y'all on the trail. Peace.